What's up, guys? They call me Free West Deep. You all know Free West Deep, but right now we got a lot of blazing issues we're going to be talking about. Ranging from Popogiri, we got something on even Two Face, Annie Idibia, and Peru that is also trending on social media. We want to talk about all of this, but the issue of Popogiri actually came on social media recently, and a lot of us are now talking about it. I have somebody here whom I'm going to be discussing with. That is a person of John Gello. He's
John
not
Gale
new to
Entertainment.
this YouTube channel,
Yeah.
John Gello Entertainment. You can go and check out his YouTube page and get to see a lot of things, interesting stories about what is happening in the entertainment scene in Nigeria. But before we proceed further, guys, I love doing one thing. Please, I'm begging, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification icon. That is when you are new to this YouTube channel. But those my old guys in this YouTube channel, man, I say commendation to you guys.
Big ups.
Man, I just love your support so far, commenting, watching my videos. That is a great one for me at this point in time. All right, yes, we have the issue of Popogri already trending on social media. A lot of people are now talking about that on social media. I think it's all interesting to actually note that is a big one. That is a great story at that, and some people are just like this video audio tape actually came out on social media where a voice of Popogri was heard, allegedly heard, in the background, because most people don't believe the story, but some people believe the story because of this age of cloning somebody's voice just to actually make a lot of people believe that so far. But before we proceed, I want you guys to hear that before I start, discussing with my friend here.
As we don't date stay rich, each time I think of my prick the race, I dey get strong erection. Yeah, and the girl we don't do we don't do dirty sex. Different kind of sex. When we say she tell me say Prince, the fuck where you don't fuck me, my husband for 9 years where we dey date, she never fuck me like that. You know. Me and Jay, we fit dey house, we fuck from morning till evening.
She know they
I
tire.
will- Yeah, if we tire, we will rest, we'll continue.
Nah.
Plus they fear me. Now she married the guy now, not the guy married her.
She dey
This is all interesting right now. You
Very,
heard
very
what what is your own take about the story before we start the main discussion?
Yeah, from what you just said, it's like 50-50%. We don't know if it's Prince's voice or if it was Dr. But from my take, I think that is Prince's voice. It sounds like his voice. And from what he was saying that, yeah, that he called himself Prince. But I mean, the story is terrible because from what he said that he's sleeping with someone's wife. That's exactly what he said. That the lady married the man, not the man married the lady. That they were married for like 9 years. According to the lady, that she's enjoying him so much that come, I've been married for 9 years, but I haven't had such experience, sexual experience in my marriage. In other words, Prince was really satisfying her, and according to Prince, it's like a marathon sex. They do. Oh, come on, man! But this is a married woman, for crying out loud.
This is
What's
a married
really
man has
happening
been
to us
dragged
in
into the
Nigeria?
whole thing. But one thing you need to understand that Tonto Dike said it was like a sex tape, all those kind of things. But the audio tape is coming out right now, so that is giving some people doubt to believe that okay, this audio is easy to actually doctor audio than
Yeah.
video. That is what some people are already talking. Like the headline I have here said, "Me and the girl don't do dirty
Dirty sex.
sex." She tell me say the kind sex wey I dey give am, her husband never give am for 9 years.
9 years.
Alleged audio of Popogiri confessing to sleeping with marriage Jane Mena. That is something now, actually blazing out, trending on social media. A lot of people are hearing that for the first time, and I think this is an interesting topic to
Very
actually talk
interesting.
about.
It's
But
still
like
fresh anyway.
you said it's or like it could be 20 50-50, based on, like, it's easy to doctor, it could be real and all those things. So let's wait, because Jemina threatened to sue Toto Dike
Okay, yeah.
over this, but we've not heard something. So what is your own suspicion about the whole story?
It's just, I mean, suspecting these guys is something else. It's like, to me, it's like basically a waste of time. But, well, it's entertainment. We have to give people the news of what is happening. Because the prince dated Toto Dike, it didn't last for long. They now broke up. And some persons were criticizing Toto Dike that this is not her first or second relationship. And according to the prince, she said something about Toto Dike cheating on him. I think it's still fresh anywhere. It's still fresh. Let's see how it goes. It's a fresh news.
It's a fresh
definitely
news. We definitely
stuff.
have something about that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's proceed further. I don't know whether you've seen this post. Said Elon Musk is now worth $230 billion, as much as Bill Gates and Warren Buffett combined together.
Wow, that's huge.
That is electronic money.
230
Sometimes you can
billion
just blow, sometimes you just fall like that. That is something I believe about that. Away from that, that is for the business people. But I have this coming in from Uche Madago saying that yes,
The controversial,
the controversial guy. He said you would have been more successful than Rema and Thames if you had stayed with Davido. Uche Madago tells Mayokun. That is another interesting side. What do you think about? But because me, I think it's actually true to an extent. Based on Mayokun under the video moving solo. Is it that it's so quick to actually go solo, or so?
Yeah, my uncle started with the video with the 30 billion gang, group. He was doing very well, dropping it, and recently he just dropped his album.
But the album is not.
It's not really flourishing. And according to my uncle, most times this my uncle, he says funny things. Some of them sound like stupid or controversial, but there's one addition.
For this one, I believe that there's sense.
An element of truth here.
Yes, there's sense in this one. That is
I
something.
think Michael would have done better if he had remained with
the video. Most Nigerian artists, they are quick to leave. That is
once they make money, they'll just break up and create their own.
Those people that left Don Jazzy, you will see that, man, those guys are still like having tough time dealing with their going solo, like Korede Bello, Ricardo Banks, and other people. This new set of people are now.
They are doing very well. Rema,
everybody must go solo. Everybody must go
you don't have to go solo.
That is what
most times. Just stick to the guy that signed you, and I mean, keep dropping hits. But most of these artists, immediately they make money, they'll just leave the record label and create their own record label. And this is business. Business, you need
skills,
experience. You need skills, you need experience to polish your business. You can't just leave because of annoyance and create your own business and expect to flourish.
Okay, right now we have something on Two-Face, Idibia, Annie, Idibia, and Peru. Right now, Peru, Two-Face flew into Abuja, Peru in Abuja, and that raised a kind of suspicion, and a lot of people made different stories about that. Yes, another thing that happened was that Two-Face, people actually visited Peru at a hotel in Abuja that is generating some kind of reaction based on what they said about Peru Two-Face, that Peru is the first wife of Two-Face. That yes, we the Optipo, according to the person that the Idoma people recognize that is the people from Benue recognize that, and that is quite interesting. But what is your own take?
From what people have been saying, and Idris Abdulkarim dropped a comment that whether we like it or not, Peru is the first wife. So many people have been saying so. And we should also remember that Two-Face Idibia is from the Middle Belt. And in Benue, you can have more than one wife.
More than one wife, yes.
For me, I think this guy should just get married to, yes, because from what Peru's dad said, he was actually referring to Two-Face as his son It's like Two-Face did something
Something,
on
yeah.
Peru set, and maybe paid he dropped a crate of wine or something, or a bottle of wine. He has done
That
something.
represents something.
Yeah, he has done
So
something
that is
for Peru.
but looking at Peru now and Idibia, who is more beautiful? Like, because
well, they say
some people are still
beauty,
talking like
beauty
that.
they say is in the
Nice.
eyes of the beholder. Beauty they say is in the eyes of the. Some people like them tall, some people like them short, some people like them Coke bottle. You know what I mean? You know the Coke bottle shape. Or everybody has his choice to make. Some people like them skinny, some people like them well fed. You know, baby, Two-Face prefers Annie to Peru, but basically he was with Peru before he met with Annie.
Daddy Free said something like Two-Face has lost so much love Annie to the extent that he cannot listen to anything, or he can put his music career on hold because of Annie.
That is
But
love. That's what I'm saying.
somehow this whole story will affect Two-Face musical career. That is something I believe about that. But recent time, Two-Face has been plunging down, music wide and all those things. This is going to several kind of indictments
Allegations and all that against him. And recently we have this news from Brimo saying Two-Face's career has ended, that Two-Face even accused him of sleeping with Annie, and not only that, Two-Face threatened to sue him, to the tune of
and he didn't sue again. So that brought a kind of suspicion that
and
yes,
even Brimo said he is not guilty. I mean,
he's not guilty.
That what he said is the right thing. That is
so
why
they've been saying that something will surface later, that the secret will come to the light. Even Two-Face
definitely comes to the light. Yeah.
Peru and a lot of people are saying all of these things, and that is actually disturbing, because Two-Face right now used to make beautiful music, but we can't expect that from him right now. Have you heard this one? Court orders interim forfeiture of Mofa's luxury items, iPhones, and the rest. That is another thing, because let me read something. He said a federal high court sitting in Lagos has granted an order of interim forfeiture of 11 luxury items confiscated by the EFCC.
Wow, EFCC.
From social media celebrity Ismaila alias this. And he was arrested in October 2019 at Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja. That is something that happened in 2019. And he was given a bail condition of 100 million naira, which he made before leaving Nigeria and other states. But right now, EFCC, they are still pushing. What is the fate of this guy?
We have one new guy that's been doing very well. I mean, we'll be watching the results that's coming from the desk of the EFCC, and the guy have been doing very well. They have an app now on Play Store, so you can go to Play Store and report. And this guy have been doing very well. This guy have been, this new EFCC boss, she has been doing very well. But Mofa issue, Mofa has said he's a clean guy, that he doesn't have anything against anybody, that is not involved in any criminating, plots or issues. That, his hands are clean. Well, time will tell. Is he fresh anywhere? Maybe this new EFCC guy has seen something around Mofa, because he was arraigned in 2019 and he was also fresh. Yeah, and nothing happened to him. Maybe this new guy has seen something. But basically, we'll keep listeners updated. That's our job,
Okay, all right. Thank you, John Gallo, for actually taking out time to be on this, discussion. I would say, guys, viewers, you can go and check out his, YouTube, channel, and then get to subscribe, because he's got a lot of content, dope ones, on his YouTube channel concerning entertainment. But before we jump right out of this, discussion, I want you guys to also consider a feat to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button, the bell notification icon. But if you subscribed already, man, thank you for actually supporting us through this time. We love you guys. Keep supporting FreeWSD.